Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open command prompt on Windows 10. In order to open the command prompt, you can simply press the Windows button or go to the Start menu and start searching for CMD program. Then you can open it or run it as administrator if you wish. Alternatively, you can use a combination of Windows and R buttons pressed simultaneously, which will open the Run application, and in this application you're gonna have to enter CMD in the field, then click OK, and this will also enable the command prompt. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.